Hey guys, it's Wasim Yuans, and today I'm gonna show you how to line up your own beard like a boss. But first, I'm gonna show you the tools that I use. Number one, Pacino straight razor, a comb for shaving, Pacino's shave gel, and wall detailers. The first tip that I'm gonna give you to have a symmetrical beard is to start off from the bottom. We're gonna draw a straight line on the bottom, and then after we're gonna go to the top and line it up. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit of shave gel. And I'll grab my straight razor, and first thing you wanna do is to stretch the skin and hold the razor to a 45-degree angle. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a line over here, and then after I'm gonna go where the sideburns are and put another line, and then you wanna visualize a curved line and then connect both lines together. Now I'm gonna connect these two lines together. Now I'm gonna line up the mustache area. Now you want to make sure both sides are even. The trick that I do and keep my hairline fresh for like a week or two, I do the threading technique in this part. The only bad part is it hurts a little bit, but you get used to it after a little while. Let me go ahead and show you how to thread your face like a boss. What I'm gonna do over here, I'm gonna take my index finger and wrap it up about 10 times. And I'll go to my thumb and go from the opposite side and wrap her up around another 10 times. I cut it, and I'm gonna put my two fingers over here, pull her out, and slowly leave the string. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap it around my two fingers 3 times exactly. Here we go. Dude, that hurts. Now I'm gonna use Pacino's beard oil to give my beard body and a little bit of shine. It's like a gel for your beard, basically. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you guys want to see more videos, like and subscribe, and comment down below what is the next beard style you want to see. Ciao.